If you want to unlink your Epic Games account from Steam, I'll walk you through the exact steps in this quick and easy tutorial. This is useful if you connected the wrong account, want to change which platforms are linked, or simply want to clean up your account connections. And before we begin, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software and gaming tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to the Epic Games website, then sign into the account that is currently linked to Steam. Once you're logged in, look for your username in the top right corner of the page, click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Account. This will take you to your Epic account settings, where you can manage all of your connected services. Now, on the account page, look for the Linked Account section. This is where Epic shows all the external platforms connected to your profile, including Steam, PlayStation, Xbox, Nintendo, and others. Click on Linked Accounts to open the list. Next, find the Steam icon in the list of linked services. Once you see Steam, click Remove or Unlink next to it. Epic may ask you to confirm that you really want to disconnect the account. This is an important step because unlinking can affect how your games, progress, and account access work across platforms. When the confirmation box appears, carefully read the notice on the screen. Epic usually shows you what will be removed or what could be affected by unlinking. If everything looks correct and you want to continue, check the required boxes to acknowledge the message, then click Unlink to finish the process. After that, Steam will no longer be connected to your Epic Games account. You can now link a different account later if needed, or leave it unlinked if that's your goal. If you don't see the changes right away, refresh the page or sign out and back in to confirm the connection is gone. A couple of quick tips before you leave. Make sure you're signed into the correct Epic Games account before unlinking, because if you disconnect the wrong one, it can be annoying to fix later. Also, if you use Epic Games across multiple devices, double check your account settings so you don't lose access to anything you still need. And that's it. You've successfully unlinked your Epic Games account from Steam. If this tutorial helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.